In 2016, CBHS was reviewing its digital capabilities and how we were enabling our members at that time. And we acknowledged that there was a weakness in what we needed to achieve in order to provide the sort of digital experience that our members were looking for. So we set out to establish the digital first strategy. And that's really where this whole journey commenced. The first step we took was to say what platform did we need to enable that capability in terms of the digital first strategy. And that's when we chose Salesforce. So having set the platform, having established that anchor, we then said we needed a partner to work with. And we wanted a partner that was going to be flexible, that was going to understand our business, and that was going to become part of the team. And that RFP process then took us down a journey where we went through, and through the selection process identified Infosys. So Infosys was a key standout from the point of view of the RFP process. And the key things we saw during that process was a real willingness to understand our business, an understanding of PHI and the general insurance marketplace. But what Infosys brought to the table was a real eagerness to deliver a solution. And even during the RFP process, there was a draft solution.
So anybody that's intending to come to Australia to work or study has to actually buy the policy to apply for their visa. So we have two product lines at this time. One is for overseas workers and then overseas students, so those that are intending to study in Australia. Infosys work very closely with our business subject matter experts to ensure that the solution delivered to the business requirements, which is an overall critical for us. We can rely on the competence and the expertise of Infosys to deliver us what we need, and often going over and above. Infosys have been able to contribute to improving performance that allows us to deliver to our go-to-market targets. If I look at an example from quite recently, where we had a marketing challenge because of activities from our competitors, Infosys were able to assist us to respond to that market challenge within 3 days. So with my experience in industry, that type of response would have normally taken a fund at least a month.
So private health insurance can be a complex topic for people who are new to PHI and even people who already have PHI. That's why at CBHS we've created a sales process that captures and provides the necessary details to provide our members with the right product at the right stage of their life cycle. The Infosys team quickly understood all of our business drivers and current business processes. We were able to reimagine the future state of the business and successfully build it together. This is what we call co-innovation.
One of the primary benefits of the implementation of Sales Cloud has been the reduction in the call times when a customer comes through. So we estimate it's somewhere between 5 to 10 minutes per call in saving of the customer being on the phone with the salesperson and converting to a member. The adoption's been almost 100% within the business, with the sales team using it completely. After we closed down all the 4 disparate systems, we had the single system. We've stopped the data leakage, we've stopped the leads leakage. Everything comes through the one system, all the landing pages, the web pages, everything points through to Sales Cloud. The benefits of having Infosys with CBHS, and especially in our offices, has been the speed to market, being able to deliver ongoing iterations of functionality literally on a month-by-month basis. If Infosys weren't in the office, and also with their onshore and offshore team, I don't think we would have delivered as much as we have.
Infosys made sure that all the key objectives are met for the project. And from the start of DFS up until now, with all the other projects that we're handling like OSHC and OBHC automation, Infosys has always challenged CBHS to make sure that we're getting the right requirement from the very start, helped us through the journey of building and testing it, and then at the end reviewing whether we have met all the objectives or not. Infosys made sure that CBHS comes first. That's what I think is doing what is required, not what they have been asked for.
When I think of Infosys as a partner, what I see is an organisation that operates at scale with good people who are flexible, who understand that they need to be part of my team and our team here at CBHS. We've also engaged with our international business, where we delivered a platform for that international business to grow very, very successfully. And along the way, Infosys have provided all of the assistance we need, and really have now integrated very well with our team at CBHS. to the extent where we all know Infosys as an employee of CBHS, which is really strong. So I was very impressed with the approach that Infosys took, in that they started with an understanding of the marketplace and our competitors. We had a picture of what we wanted to deliver, and what we're able to do is combine those two perspectives and achieve a very, very successful outcome.